Looking at the Fibonacci trend-based time, we're coming up to here where we'll get some sort of move. Breaks up. You can't see getting through this trend line, so there's a pretty good chance that we break down. Everybody's waiting for the stock market to open this morning to see the S&P, or I watch the ESI to see what it does. Here we are. So like I said, we could get a bounce up to this level, all the sell orders up here, and then roll down, or we could just roll over right from here this morning. It could open lower. It could open below this level and start heading down to this trend line. Here it is on the daily. So for the stock market, this line is make or break. So like I said, we could get a bounce up to this level and roll over. We get a bounce up to the higher, up to the top trend line, roll over. Highly doubt that we would get a break of the trend line and then up. That would be a miracle. I think at some point we break this. I saw an interesting video earlier of showing all the stock market crashes of recent, all breaking the 200-week moving average. And here it is, this red line. So if this breaks, we'd be coming down to here, which would be a pretty big move. Be a 23% move if we started from the top here. There's your 40% move there. And if we come right down to the bottom here, there's your 53% move. So that's probably what would happen if we get a crash. We're gonna end up down here, get another 50% pullback. And if you go to Bitcoin, if I go out to the weekly, if you go to the weekly on the 200-week moving average, Bitcoin's already below it. It's already broken down. Already broke it here. Kind of popped through, broken again, and now it's having trouble. Got rejected from the 200-week moving average here. If you go down to the daily, we broke it here, popped through, but we've broken it here, bounced down, got rejected. Now we're well below the 200-day moving average. And we don't go into a new bull run until that gets broken. Which you can see is coming down hard here, and we'll probably come down and we'll try to bounce off of it a few times, but come down like this and then round. Somewhere around here we'll cut through, bounce, and then start heading back up in the next bull market. So watch for Bitcoin. If it makes a move up to this trend line, or even a little bit higher, be ready for a fake out. I don't see how people can have confidence in the market with all the bad news, with the Fed tightening. So there might be a little fake out to suck in some people. It pumps up to here, or maybe up into this area, just to suck a few more people in before we roll over again. So just keep that in mind. If it does break out, or look like it's breaking out, get some decent sized green candles, don't get sucked in. And keep in mind that we need the big resistance, the big falling trend line to break, at least up into this area, before you can have any confidence that it's going to go back up. Other than that, it's just going to be people trying not to miss out on the bottom, thinking that this might be the bottom. They'll get caught.